Welcome back to Suburban DIY. My name is Rich. We're back in the bathroom renovation project, and today's a really big day. We'll be roughing in all of the plumbing for both the tub water as well as the shower head up here. And we're going to start by blocking in the control valve. Thanks for watching, and thanks for taking this incredible journey with us. The reason I'm putting the coupler here and not doing something over here is because of all of this. I'm going to cut out this connection on the CPVC. I'm going to put a T here, coupler here, and in between I'll put a PEX. So I can't just cut here for one cut. I've got to actually put the coupler there. I was going to use the oscillating tool, but I'm having trouble getting to the blade where I wanted to, and it's going to make me turn and it won't go. I'm afraid it won't be a straight cut. So I decided I'm going to use a hacksaw. turned off the water and I opened a bunch of drains, just trying to drain the lines as much as I possibly can. There's still a fair amount of water, but we'll let that drain out. Now on this side, I will use the oscillating tool. I want to clean up this area here on the CPVC before I cut the packs. I should have waited until I did this first because I got to use this tool. So let's see if I can get this done. So here's the T that I'm going to put in now. You'll see this is 3/4, 3/4. I'm going CPVC to packs, and I'll be coming up packs up here. It's going to be a little bit tight, but we'll make an elbow turn up to the valve on the 1/2 inch. Okay, now that's in. Now I have to decide where to cut the packs. All right, I think that's all the way in. Move this out a little bit. Whew. So we're ready to cut the cold line here. And the cold line I'm going to cut right here. Let me make a mark. I'm going to cut the CPVC here, and that's where I'm going to put my T into the 1/2 inch up to the valve. So I also need a coupler. Coupler on the hot to PEX to a T to come up to the hot water valve. Cold water line, I got a coupler, and then I got a T to come up to the cold water on the valve. Just double check, make sure I got everything tight. Let's take the cold first. CPVC to a coupler, to PEX, to a T, and keeps going. Let's make sure. All of these are tight. Okay, those feel good. Now I got the 1/2 inch coming up out of the T into the elbow. That's on the cold. I think that's all good. Now on the hot, we've got the coupler. Yep. with the T, 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch elbow, 1/2 inch across. Oh, glad I did that. I know it's a lot of connectors, really too many. It's why I put in the back there, I cut open, put an access panel in case sometime after I tile all of this, I need to get to it. Hopefully I can get to it from that end. Let's get another towel behind here in case when I turn the water on, that it spits out everywhere. All right, again with the towel, I'm just trying to get it in case it leaks. I just want to reduce the amount of water it goes to the sheetrock down below, which is the ceiling to the kitchen. I've got the valve installed and I got access to the stem, turn it left and right. Hot, all tight, hooked up to the T at the 3/4, CPVC, PEX, and a coupler here. On the cold, same thing, everything is tight. All the PEX is into the T for the cold water, more PEX pipe, and a coupler right here. For the tub spout, it said that not to use PEX, so I got this 1/2 inch copper coming down to the spout, which is closed off. And then on the shower, you'll see I do not have anything, I don't have a cap. Let me get the light out of the way. I don't have a cap for that. So just want to be careful of that. So long story short, it is now time to turn on the water and see how badly I screwed this thing up. I'm going to put the camera on here because I got to run downstairs and outside to turn it on. Here we go. All right, all the water is back on and no leaks. Let's take a closer look. Okay, look at the coupler here. I can feel it's all hot. Cold water feels cold. Those CPVC corners, good. I can feel this is hot, great. Cold, I know the water's running in the other bathroom, so it's making it through. So next step here is to turn this valve. Everything looks all right. The cold feels cold. Hot feels hot. Shower feels warm. And it's coming out. Just completed roughing in the new plumbing, where we've got for the tub, the shower, as well as the hot and cold water. Everything's operational, looks really good, and we're ready to put the walls up in advance or in preparation to tile all the way up to the ceiling. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or write a comment below. It really helps out the channel. If you want to see more videos where we fix a lot of different things, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.